In this video, I'm going to show you 7 next level AI video makers that anyone can use. This includes software that will turn text into videos, turn text to speech, auto cut videos, auto transcribe videos, and a lot more that will save you a lot of time and hassle. Feel free to like and subscribe if you find this useful, and let's get straight into it. First up is Synthesia.io. Synthesia is an online platform for creating videos with AI avatars and voices. This is an example of one of their avatars. As you can see, it looks incredibly realistic. The process to create a video is really simple. You just choose a template and an avatar, type in the text, add in any visual elements such as shapes, soundtracks or images, and then you click generate video, and it will create one of these types of videos. Some of the use cases you can use this for are training videos, how-to videos, and product marketing videos. Here is an example of one of the videos. The avatar does look incredibly realistic. The voice, you could probably tell that it was artificial, but it is very professional. Next up, we have Veed.io. Veed is a free online video editor that lets you easily add subtitles to your videos. No need to download software because it works directly within your browser. Simply upload a video and you'll see the main editing interface. Then click on subtitles on the left hand side. This will bring up the subtitles menu. We can try the auto subtitle feature. Just select that, select your language and click create subtitles. Now it will work its magic and generate subtitles for you. Once done, you'll see that they are added to the timeline. You can change the style by selecting any one of these. So if I press play, you'll be able to see what it looks like. I'll pause that, change the style, it will turn it into yellow. If I change the style, that turns it into black. You can't really see that one. I like this one, especially if you're on a smaller screen, because it shows the words one by one. And that'll be easier if you're posting videos on YouTube Shorts or TikToks or Instagram videos. Veed does a great job of matching the words up to the speech. However, if you do need to adjust a few things here or there, what you could do is just go to the timeline and hover over the edges and adjust it here like that. You can click and reposition it how you want, or make them longer or shorter. Now, if you did want to change the aspect ratio, for example, when you're converting a YouTube video to a short or a TikTok, you can just click on settings here, and then where it's got size, click on the drop down landscape, and then you can choose TikTok here. As you can see, the subtitles have shrunk, so what you could do is use the menu on the left hand side to make them bigger. You can also select the video, and by clicking and dragging the corners, you can make the video bigger and also the subtitles bigger. By clicking on the subtitles menu, here you can see your whole script, and you can make edits to your subtitles within this tab. Once done, you can just export the video here. It will give you some export options and you can download it in HD. Next up, we have Invideo.io. Invideo is another online video editor that works in your browser. Whilst it has tons of pre-made templates so you can create videos quickly, it also offers text to video creations. So once signed in, select text to video, choose a template and an aspect ratio, and then you can add in your script. Firstly, add a headline and then add some text. You can do this multiple times for different scenes. Make sure the auto suggest images and videos is selected, then click next. It will then automatically create a video for you using your text and stock footage. If it doesn't add a video to the scenes, you can easily add your own footage or choose from stock footage on the left hand side. If I scroll down, you'll be able to see all the scenes that were created to make up this video. It's added stock footage and also the text that I inputted. Now, as you can see, the top one doesn't have a video, so I can add a video in myself. I'll click on video on the left hand side. Then using the stock footage, I'll just search for Scotland and drag in some stock footage into the box. Now what I want to do is to trim video to fit the scene. This will match the length of this stock footage to the length of the scene on my video. Then I'll click done, and there you go. I've got a video there. So if I just click preview all, I'll be able to see what that looks like. So the first scene shows the title I inputted, a transition, and then some more text that I've written. Now if you want to fine tune the video, you can click on Advanced Editor in the top menu, and this will open up the video on a timeline, so you can adjust the length of each scene, you can adjust the transitions between the scenes, you can add a voiceover and background music. Once you've finished, you can export the video in the top right hand side. Another AI assisted video editor you should check out is Wisecut.video. Wisecut is a video editing software that leverages AI and voice recognition to edit videos for you. It automatically creates jump cuts, subtitles, background music, and more. It works best for talking videos like YouTube videos, blogs, tutorials, or online courses. If you want to save time in the editing room, then this is worth checking out. All you need to do is click on Add Media and then drag in a video file. Once uploaded into a project, click on Next, name the project, and then at the bottom you will see the edits you can apply to this video. You can toggle on and off any of these options. I will leave on most of these. If you want the captions on screen, click on Burned In Captions. I forgot to turn it on, but the software will still automatically transcribe the audio and create subtitles for you. You can then easily add the subtitles on later on. Once completed, it will give you a report of all the edits that took place. As you can see, it took off 11 seconds of awkward silence, created 6 jump cuts, created 38 lines of subtitles, added background music. It also added smart close-ups created with their auto punch-in feature. If you click on Edit Project, you will see all the edits that took place. You can fine-tune the video or correct any subtitles. When you click Preview and Export, you'll be able to add in the captions if you didn't do it already, and then you're good to download. Next up, we have a video editor that allows you to create videos from blog posts. Lumen 5 combines powerful AI with a simple drag and drop interface to help you create professional video content in minutes. The video maker is targeted more towards corporate customers than YouTubers. However, anyone can use it. One of their best features is the ability to create videos from an RSS feed. So I'll show you how to do that. Once signed in, click on Instant Videos and then Manage Feed. Here you can enter the URL of an RSS feed or the individual URL of an article. I've already added the RSS feed from the tech website Engadget to show you how it works. Once added, it will pull in all the latest articles from that feed. As you can see here, these are their latest blog posts. Now, if you click on one of the posts, you can choose a template, select the format, and then the article will be imported into their storyboard. There is an option at the bottom where you can use AI to generate a summary or use every sentence in the story. I'll just click on the summary option, then select Convert to Video. Once done, the video will be created. From what I've seen, this is one of the best article to video makers out there. The videos are clean and crisp, and it does a good job of summarizing the article. Of course, it's not perfect and it will need some adjustments, but it is a good starting block and it will save you time if you're trying to convert loads of articles into videos quickly. If you have a blog and are thinking of venturing into making videos, then this is a great place to start. Another text to video editor out there is called Pictory.ai. AI of course stands for artificial intelligence. Similar to Lumen 5, Pictory will use AI to turn scripts or blogs into videos. You simply paste in your script and the AI will find royalty-free video clips, images and music to generate a video. You can then easily edit the videos in the storyboard. One unique feature that Pictory has is the ability to automatically summarize long videos. so you can turn long content into short posts. On the main screen, you will need to select Visuals to Video, then follow the wizard to upload your video and choose a template. Pictory will create scenes from your video and generate video snippets for you. This is a useful feature if you have an existing back catalogue of videos. You can easily create short videos and post them on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. The last AI assisted video editor I'm going to show you is perfect for podcasting. It's called Descript or Descript. This is an all-in-one audio and video editor that works like a Word document. Descript allows you to edit videos by editing the text. If you delete the text, it will delete that portion of the video. This is a standalone app, so you will need to download it. Once installed, you can drag and drop audio or video into the main editor and it will transcribe the audio. I'll just do a quick live recording and you can see how the video will be transcribed in real time. Descript is a collaborative audio video editor that works like a doc. It includes transcription, a screen recorder, publishing, and some mind-bendingly useful AI tools. Now, if I run out of things to say, it can also delete all my filler words, like this. Okay, so now the audio has stopped, I purposely added in some filler words. To get rid of them, select the settings icon here and click Remove Filler Words. It will highlight all the detected words and then you can simply click Apply to All. This will remove them. One unique feature that Descript has is the ability to clone your voice and add words to your audio as simple as typing. This is good if you make mistakes that you want to correct in post-production. If you need an audio editor and a video editor in one, then Descript is definitely worth checking out. I'll put links to all these video editors in the description, and if this video inspires you to make videos, then check out this video about how to easily create scripts using AI. You can then put those scripts in one of the text to video makers I showed you in this video and create videos in no time. So I'll catch you in the next one.